Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. So we have sy, s square, y square. They are degree number 2. So that is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. Now I will change y into vs. Similar for this one. This one we change by this one. This one we have vs square. This one we have v square s square. Next, we simplify s square for the both sides. Next, I will put v go to the right and we divide both sides by negative 1 plus v square. Because if we put this one go in here, we have negative v, negative with negative, you got about positive, that's why we have this one. About v, I will put on the right. Next, we can do common denominator. So v multiplied by number 1 and v square in here. Now v minus v we cancel. So we just have only negative v to the power of 3. Now I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So 1 divided by v to the power of 3 and v squared divided by v to the power of 3. We have v to the power of negative number 3 and 1 over v. So the integration of this one, we have v to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of v. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. This one we have negative number 2, negative number 2. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by x. So we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.